It's a tour.
Oh yes, girlfriend. Look at you. Look at them thighs, honey. Girl, they thighs and drawers.
Several days later.
Hey guys, so today I've decided that I'm going to start trying to make reels on my Instagram and like be that girl and do that thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys a little bit behind the scenes of this very embarrassing time of me trying to figure out how to do what everybody's been doing all quarantine long. And yeah, so I have my phone tripod situated, my ring light, and then my chair. So I have my whole setup all ready to go, and I'm gonna try my best to get this right and not make it completely embarrassing, but it's kind of embarrassing already. So yeah, because your girl did not have TikTok, and now I'm gonna have to figure it out on Instagram. So here we go. I am doing that one where you like do the kick your leg, throw the shoe, transition, change into a really cute outfit situation. So let's see how this goes. It's like awkwardly embarrassing and quiet right now, but whatever. So now I have that first portion of the video and I have to just transform myself into the second portion of it. This is like, I freshly washed my wig and everything. So it is wavy and not cute, but it has heat protectant in it. We're gonna straighten this baby out, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a lash tutorial because I know everybody is always asking how I put on my strip eyelashes without tweezers, and how I personally think it's easier than putting on mascara because ew. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of a reel on how to do that, and it's gonna be fun. So let's go. Okay, welcome to my bathroom, y'all. And we are about to make me look slightly better than I do currently. I'm gonna straighten my hair with my vibrating Jose Iber flat iron. I know it's weird that it vibrates. I used to work for a sales company, and we actually sold these in like Costco's and stuff and Sam's Clubs, and I had to learn a lot about the Jose Iber products, and I love them. Like I'm ride or die. I have their straightening brush as well. That's what I actually use on my natural hair to straighten it before I put it under a wig. And then I use this bad boy for curling as well as straightening my wigs. I can't curl this one though, or else it ends up changing its color. It's a weird thing just because it's a pastel. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be using the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield just to protect this baby. It's the same one that I use on my natural hair. Gonna go in and brush it. Make sure there's no knots. Make sure the product is evenly distributed. There you go. Awesome. Okay, little facts from a former Jose Iber hair tool salesperson. The vibrating flat iron actually only has one temperature. It goes up to 400 degrees, which is why it's good for 90% of hair types. As long as you use a heat protectant, you are good, but the vibrating feature is what keeps it from burning your hair because it's constantly in motion, so it's harder for it to burn things. And then it also allows for you to get every single strand of your hair, so it takes less time for you to straighten it versus a normal flat iron. So that's why it vibrates. There you go. One pass and it's like pin straight, which is what I aim for because I hate spending a lot of time doing my hair. I spend enough time making my hair. I don't want to spend a lot of time like doing it, you know? Like, it's not a thing I want to do. Okay, I don't feel like straightening this on my head, so I'm actually gonna bust out my wig head, plop it on here, straighten this bitch out, because my wig is done. Okay, so she is nice and straight. Oop. Perfect, I'm so excited. Okay. Now, if you decide to style your wig on a head, I do recommend before you do the final touches, especially like framing the face, that you put it on yourself so that way you know it's going to look great. Now it's all fluffy again. I did some chunks and like bigger chunks, so it's not like perfectly straight, but it's still a lot better than it was. And then, this is still hot. Fix these bangs. So much better. Oh my goodness. This side is just like doing this thing, but so much better. Oh my goodness. I live. Okay. Now to film the eyelash tutorial, and I have to change clothes really fast because this is not what I'm filming it in. This is not cute. So okay, now that I have my wings on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to apply those lashes. There's gonna be 3 main things that you will need. You will need a pair of eyelashes.